Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best accessories for your kayak, the YakAttack LeverLoc Anchor Trolley. This is your go-to solution for seamless anchoring on the water. Stick around as we explore why this is a must-have for any serious kayaker. The YakAttack LeverLoc Anchor Trolley is designed with practicality and durability in mind. It's crafted right here in the USA, ensuring top-notch quality. What sets this apart from other trolleys is its ease of installation and comprehensive hardware kit. Whether you're new to kayaking or a seasoned pro, setting this up is a breeze. Let's talk features. The LeverLoc system is ingenious. It allows you to position your anchor anywhere along your kayak, giving you flexibility in various conditions. It's built tough to withstand the elements, yet it's incredibly lightweight at just 0.01 pounds. This means it won't add unnecessary weight to your kayak setup. Now, let's walk through the installation process. YakAttack provides everything you need in the box. From the detailed instructions to the hardware, it's all there. Simply follow the step-by-step guide, and you'll have your anchor trolley up and running in no time. No drilling required, which is a huge plus for maintaining your kayak's integrity. So, how does it perform on the water? In a word, flawlessly. Whether you're fishing in calm lakes or navigating river currents, the LeverLoc Anchor Trolley keeps your kayak stable and secure. It's designed for ease of use, allowing you to adjust your anchor position effortlessly. And with YakAttack's reputation for durability, you can trust that it'll last through many adventures. Compared to other anchor trolleys on the market, the YakAttack stands out for its build quality and thoughtful design. It's evident that YakAttack understands the needs of kayakers, offering a product that's not only reliable but also enhances your overall experience on the water. This is why it's consistently rated highly among users. Wrapping up, if you're looking to upgrade your kayak setup with a reliable anchor trolley, look no further than the YakAttack LeverLoc. It's practical, durable, and backed by a brand known for its commitment to quality. Whether you're a weekend warrior or a professional angler, this accessory will undoubtedly elevate your kayaking adventures. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gear reviews and outdoor adventures. Until next time, happy paddling!